Independence Day celebration. On behalf of GD Goenka Public School, we extend a very warm welcome to our Reverend Principal Ma'am, respected teachers and fellow students.
May we stand in this course present our land, more free, more happy, more lovely than this our own country. Freedom should not be something that you have to deserve. It's something you just naturally have, something that no one can take away from you. Let's celebrate freedom.
अनेकता में एकता ही हमारी पहचान है, इसलिए मेरा भारत महान है। काले गोरे का भेद नहीं, इस दिल से हमारा नाता है। कुछ और ना आता हमको, हमें प्यार निभाना आता है, हमें प्यार निभाना आता है।
Where words fail, music speaks. On this note, I would like to request our music choir to captivate this festive backdrop with their lyrical and vibrant patriotic rhythm.
जनता, यहाँ तक कि कहाँ सोए जनता, सब मैं ही चुनता हूँ। You guys should clean me first.
तो मित्रों, आज आपने क्या किया? क्या आपने कचरा साफ किया? घर के अंदर साफ किया या घर के बाहर साफ किया? मन का कचरा अभी भी बाकी है, क्या उस पर कभी ध्यान दिया? नेताओं के कपड़े सफेद और भारत माँ के कपड़े काले। देशभक्ति कुछ लोगों को आज भी आकर्षित करती है, लेकिन राष्ट्रभक्ति कुछ लोगों के लिए आज भी अंधी है। हमने भगत, आजाद, गांधी जैसे लोगों के पुतले खड़े किए हैं और राष्ट्रभक्ति के नाम पे इस देश के टुकड़े टुकड़े किए हैं।
हिंदुस्तान की आजादी आज शायद ही कोई भूला होगा, और अगर कोई भूला है तो वो उस हिंदुस्तान को, उन स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों को, उनके सपनों को जो हमारी किताबों और यादों में बसते हैं। परंतु अभी राष्ट्रवाद खत्म नहीं हुआ है, हमारा सुनहरा कल हमारा इंतजार कर रहा है। हम उस देश के निवासी हैं जहाँ भागीरथी गंगा को स्वयं लाए थे।
हमारे देश का एक ही मंत्र, सबसे बड़ा लोकतंत्र। हम उस देश के निवासी हैं जहां वीरों ने बलिदान दिए ताकि हमारा भारत महान बन सके। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। जय।
India is calling. Blood is calling to blood. Get up. We have no time to lose. Take up your arms. We shall cut our way through the enemy's ranks. For if the Lord wills, we shall die a martyr's death. A very good morning to one and all present here. With this iconic quote of Subhash Chandra Bose, I would like to welcome you all to this auspicious day of Independence Day celebration. A very warm welcome to Reverend Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, and my enthusiastic camaraderie. India is a nation of glory, sacrifice, brotherhood, tradition, humanity, and culture. We all are proud to be a part of this independent India. Today, we are the largest democracy in this world. Unity in diversity is the speciality of we Indians. It is a day to celebrate our freedom by paying tribute to all the national freedom fighters who have shown immense love, sacrifice, bravery, and patriotism for their mother nation, and have gifted us this beautiful India. Today, 75 years after independence, India is making progress every day. We are writing a new chapter in every field, from military strength, tradition, education, and sports. We are creating benchmarks every day, from Neeraj Chopra to 50 crore COVID vaccination drive. No doubts, we all have our personal agenda of progressing in our career, but let us do it without forgetting our responsibilities towards the nation. The founding fathers of the nation, along with numerous freedom fighters, wanted this India to be independent and happy. Over the last 7 decades, India has emerged towards becoming a global power to fulfill it. Today, we all have to be the power of science and technology to be counted among the best. It is here that we as students can contribute. Even if each one of us decides to work with one problem of society and one research work, we will still see that we'll be making great contributions towards the nation. So let us take a place to do that and take this country to the premier seat in the committee of the nations. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
That was really motivating. Thanks a lot, Anshika. दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सदा सर ऊंचा रखना जब तक दिल में जान है। ये बात हवा
Independence Day today, I would like to recite a few lines from the poem of Sri Rabindranath Tagore, Where the Mind is Without Fear. Teachers, please have a seat. Where the mind is without fear, and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. These were the beautiful words of Sri Rabindranath Tagore when he wrote this poem in 1900. But the words are still relevant today. He thought of this nation where the world is not broken into fragments by narrow domestic walls. He thought that we should not be slaves. We should not be ruled by other people. But now the dimension of freedom has changed. You know, with freedom or with any given thing, there comes responsibility also. If you are given something, if you, for example, you attain something, you want a car or a TV, and you get it, you get the responsibility to take care of it also. It comes along with it. If you are using it, if you do not use it wisely, if you misuse it, that means it is going to last with you for a short while. It will be taken away. It will get spoiled after a month, 2 months, a year or a 2 year. But it's going to be taken away. In the same manner, when freedom was given to us, the responsibility to maintain that freedom also was given to us. That is why we have law and order, we have armed forces protecting the borders of the country. Yes? So the government is taking care of that. But what about us? Are we free? Tell me, yes or no? Are we free? Yes? Aren't we controlled by our thoughts, by our habits? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So, the freedom in true sense is that we are the masters of our own selves. We are not controlled by our thoughts, our habits. So, whatever is in excess is harmful. If I say, you must all have read about physics, friction. There is a friction, that is why you are able to walk on the surface. If there is no friction, it's free, you will not be able to walk. You will not be able to reach your destination properly. So everything is controlled. Yes, everything is given to us, but within certain limits. If we walk on the road, if there is no traffic rule, I know you will understand what will happen on the road also. It will be chaotic. All chaos. Same is the case with our lives as well. There has to be freedom, yes, freedom of speech, but where to stop, we have to judge. Freedom to use our mobile phones, yes, but where to stop it, in our hands. We have to judge it wisely. Every stage has its own importance. Now your stage is where you have to focus on your own selves, where you have to think about yourself, you have to build your personality so that you grow in life, so that you reach your destination, you attain that goal. That is in your hands. Freedom to, yes, you have the freedom, all the freedom to move here and there, all the freedom to waste your time, but where to stop, put a limitation, draw the line, that you have to see. Otherwise, it will be all chaos. Yes? So, I wish you complete freedom, freedom from your habits also, which are trying to control your lives, freedom to think wisely, freedom to put limitations on your lives, freedom to introduce discipline in your life, as the demand of your goal is. Right? So I wish you all the best. May God bless you. And I also hope on this day that we get freedom from pandemic also, so that we are able to lead free life as before, a normal life as before. Thank you.
Celebrating with the pride of being part of a nation that is eternal and ever new. Here comes a scintillating dance performance covering accomplishments of 7 decades after independence.
मांगी थी आजादी, नहीं मांगा था विभाजन। मैं भारत आजादी के बाद भी गिरा और फिर उठा, उठा और आगे बढ़ा। आइए देखिए मेरे आगे बढ़ने की यात्रा। बढ़ता भारत, चढ़ता भारत। सभ्यता जहाँ पहले आई, पहले जन्मी है जहाँ पे कला। मेरा भारत वो भारत है जिसके पीछे संसार चला, संसार चला और आगे बढ़ा, यूं आगे बढ़ा और बढ़ता गया। भगवान करे ये और बढ़े, यूं आगे बढ़े और फूले फले। Let's watch the rising nation, India.
The introduction of modern production techniques which require greater capital was the main feature of development of the Indian economy during the decade 1950 to 1960. Modern production techniques was the main feature of decade 1950 to 1960.
Solo
दौर में जीतेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी चांद पे दर पे जा पहुंचा है आज जमाना नए जगत से हम जीना था जोड़ चुके हैं नया खून है नई उमंगे अब है नई जवानी हम हिंदुस्तानी 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 हम हिंदुस्तानी
The Green Revolution in India started in late 1960s, and with its success, India attained food self-sufficiency within a decade. Also known as Operation Flood, was launched in 1970s to make India self-dependent in milk production. Dr. Verghese Puri is known as the father of white revolution in India. Currently, India is the world's largest milk producer. We all are aware of that tagline, Amul Doodh Peeta Hai India, Atri Buttery Delicious.
1983 Cricket World Cup Final. The final of the 1983 Cricket World Cup was played between India and West Indies. At the Lords on 25 June 1983, India playing in their first final defeated the West Indies. To claim their first World Cup, India's victory in the match is generally regarded as a history.
तुझको याद करता रहा तू जीता रहा तेरे लिए वो मरता रहा तेरे दर्द की आहट सुनी तो आ गया सब छोड़ के तेरा लेकर खुशी हर मोड़ में सब छोड़ भूला जिसे तुझको याद करता रहा
Kargil War 1999. Operation Vijay, which was the name of the Indian military operation to clear out the Kargil sector. The Indian Air Force role in acting jointly with the Indian Army grounded troops during the war and was aimed at flushing out regular and irregular troops of the Pakistan Army. The vacated positions of the army. A grand salute to Indian Army.
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कंधों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कंधों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना अब जो भी हो शोना बनके पत्थर है पिघलाना अब जो भी हो बादल बनके पर्वत पर है छाना कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कंधों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कंधों से कदम मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं निकले हैं मैदान में हम चाहते हैं पर लेकर तुम देखो तुमने
This was the time when India made the first ever space mission successful, the Mars Orbiter mission, also called Mangalyaan, is a space probe orbiting Mars since 24 September 2014. It was launched on 5 November 2013 by the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO.
में देश का सितारा। आजादी के दिन आओ मिलके करें दुआ कि बुलंदी पर लहराता रहे तिरंगा हमारा, बुलंदी पर लहराता रहे तिरंगा हमारा। May I now request Anshika to propose vote of thanks.
A grateful heart is a miracle of magnet. On behalf of the entire GD Goenka Public School, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to respected Principal Ma'am for her alluring presence throughout the program. As the representative of the students, I would also like to thank from the bottom of my heart to all the teachers for their support and motivation. Last but not the least, I would also like to thank my friends and all the participants who made this event a resounding success with their enthusiastic participation. One land,